Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today's reading is about do you have any third party situation in your love life? There's two piles ever. There's two piles here. This is pile number one and this is pile number two. Which pile you are attracted most, choose that pile. I'm going towards my pile number one. For those who choose the pile number one and this silver keychain, your reading is you have here 10 of cups upside down position, and this resonate that definitely you have some kind of third party situation. Your love life is not that easy, that good, that romantic that you think. Okay, and maybe your life partner is not happy with you, or you are not happy with this situation. Something is bad over here, something is not good over here. You are not happy with this situation. Okay, now with this six of swords upside down, and this is not going to change. This is situation, this bad happenings are not going to change, and they are stuck over here. Okay, you are stuck over here, nothing is going to improve over here. Now you are in your saddest position. You are waiting for something, and that thing is not coming towards you, with three of wands. And I think that is also the situation that you are losing your hope, and you are still you don't think that you are able to overcome that situation, to solve that problem. You don't think that you are able to do this. Okay, wow, with this high priestess card and this owl situation, owl animal, totem animal, I think you are very wise person. You know what to do, what is good for you, what is not good for you, what is good to do now. You know everything. Your intuitions are very high. Okay, use your intuitions. They tell you what you have to do, what is good for you. They will help you. uh, okay, use your intuitions over here. You're very intelligent. Now with this eight of swords, okay, when you are using your intuitions, your wisdom, your mind over here about this situation, you are going to able that you think that there is no problem over here, you can leave it or you can solve it. Okay, you are thinking that you can solve it. You are not stuck over here. You are not um, you are able to do anything. Okay, okay, but you have money problem over here. I think there is some money problem over here, and you are not able to do something, not able to begin something new with. I think you want to do some business or job, and that is not going to happen over here. I don't think so that it is going to happen. You can't start any business over here, new business. Okay, because this is money matter. This card is about money matter. You don't have that much money to do this. Okay, with this king of cups, someone love you, someone here that love you, maybe your father, your grandfather, or maybe this is some lady or mother like figure, or anyone, maybe your husband, they love you. I think so. Something hidden in that three moon mystery is something, but you have the power. They have the power to change it. They love you. Okay. Now you want to leave that person, to leave this situation. Okay. You want to move from here. You are not happy in this situation. Now you want to leave this person or that situation over here. Yes, definitely that situation, that person. You are not happy with them. I think that you have some other person in your life. That's why you are not happy with this situation. I think so. Or maybe some other man is over here in this situation. Maybe your wife is with someone else. She likes someone else. Okay. And because of that person, you leave that situation over here. You are leaving them. Okay, let go of control issues. Allow this situation to unfold naturally. Okay, and you are not doing it. You want to do it yourself. You want to give them punishment, and that's why you are not allowing angels to do it by their self. You are doing it by yourself. Guidance. You need guidance. Uh, you need guidance to do it. This is the situation that you need your intuitions, your wisdom, and some guidance over here to solve this problem. Yes. Okay. Maybe you need some mentors or some tarot readers, some mediums. You need them. They can help you in this situation. Okay. And with sea beacon fairy guidance, but where will it lead you? Okay. um, Please take the right one, take the advice from right person. Okay, because everyone is not able to give you the right advice. Okay, you have to um, choose the right person for this situation. Okay, I think that the mediums and tarot readers, that persons are good for you in this situation. Okay, if you want to know more about this situation, you can see my previous videos, and you can get something from there, or you can subscribe and press the bell icon to know my new readings, and you can get something from there. Okay, don't make a decision right now, but first know more about them, about the situation, and when you get something from that, you can decide whatever you want. Okay. Okay, I hope you like this reading. Please like, share, subscribe, and with lots of love, with lots of good wishes. Bye. I'm going towards my reading number 2. Okay, for those who choose the reading number 2 or this Mathe Bindiya reading, your reading is okay. I think that there is Three of Pentacles. You need some kind of help, and there is nobody to help you from this card, but that I get that you need some kind of help, and there is nobody over there, or you need no one's help. You think that you need no one's help. You are able to do anything, or maybe you are angry about some person, and that's why you don't want their help, but you need help here. Okay, you need help, and you have no one to help you. Okay, or you have to search about something, to know more about something, and don't have any knowledge about that thing, about this love situation. This is the love reading. This is a reading about the third party in your love life, and you want to know that thing. That's why you have nobody to tell you about them. Okay. Okay, now you want to cut someone from your life, you want to leave someone, you want to let them go, or you don't want to live with that person, live that with that situation. and you are not able to do this. With this card upside down, you are not able to do this. You want to leave someone, you want to um, cut them out of cut them out from your life, but you are not able to do it. Okay. um, Four of Cups. But you are not unhappy with that situation. You are not mad at this situation with that Four of Cups, because you want someone else, and you don't get it, but you are still happy with this situation. You are not that you don't feel that bad. You are not feeling that bad that you don't have that person in your life. Okay. Now with this Temperance card, you have to wait for some time uh, for what you wish for, what you want. You want something, then you have to wait for some time. The angels are going to do something over here. They are going to um, make the way for you, your healing. You are going to heal by angels or by someone, but this situation will take time. Okay, and you have to be patient and wait for that thing, that time to come for you. Okay. Now you are not happy with this situation over here. You want this to happen right now. You are not happy that you know that there are someone with your person, and you don't do anything with that thing. Okay, you are not happy with this situation. Something is changing, something is moving forward over here. There is a circle that is going to be complete over here, and something new is going to happen now. Something is going to change over here. Okay, and you need more strength, more power to do it. You need fresh mind to do it. Okay, and you need maybe someone's help, some friends. Okay, you are, yes, yeah, definitely you need someone or some or your mind strength over here. Yes, definitely there is a third party situation over here. Your heart is on fire. You are crying, you are very sad. You can see that there is a wolf over here, and it is crying, facing the sky, uh, crying for help from God, from Allah. And these swords are in your romance. They are cutting your romance. They are stuck in your romantic life. You are feeling very bad right now, definitely. Okay, Queen of Swords. Once again, you have two Queen of Swords. One is this, and the other one is this. You want to cut them out from your life, but you can't. Maybe your person had married them, and you want to cut them from your life. This is also the situation, because in Muslims they married 4 times. They can marry 4 times. The man can marry 4 times, four ladies at a time. Okay, but I think if you are Muslim, then you can't able to do this, because he already married them. Or if this is not the situation, your person is involving some kind of third party situation or affair, sorry, or some kind of affair, that you are not able to cut them off. Maybe you are not telling them that I know that what are you doing, I know all the things, but you are not telling them. Or maybe you are not able to, they are not listening to you, they are doing what they want to do. Okay, yes, there is no more love in this situation. You feel no more love, they feel no more love. There is no more love in this situation. Release your ex. The time has come to clear your energy. Maybe this is for you. Maybe you have the third party situation and your person is very um, uh, sad over this situation. He is weeping or she is weeping. He or she is crying over this situation. And angels are telling you, universe are telling you that you have to leave that person. This is good for your own, this is for your own good. You have to do it. Release your person, release your ex, but whoever your ex, release them. Okay, wisdom, you are a wise person. Universe are giving you wisdom, use it. Release your ex. You are now in some other body's relation. You have to release your ex now. And with this sea storm, calm and chose. This situation is calm and chose right now. Okay, and whenever this person going to talk to you, have a conversation with you about this situation, they are going to burst out. They are going to explode because they have very much in their mind. If you have any ex, then you have to release it. If they have this ex, they have to release it. Okay, I want some more card for you. Okay, my question is, if your person going to leave that person, or if this is you who have the ex, or you going to leave that person, I get you both have to know each other more. Getting to know each other, as you reveal your innermost selves to each other, your band depends. Okay, you need this thing. You have to do this. You have to talk with your person by yourself. Okay, it's up to you. You have to talk to them and decide, make a conversation with each other. Talk about this situation, but don't need any friend. Please don't ask anyone else to do it. You can do it by yourself. This situation will heal when you talk to them by yourself. Okay, talk to them. This situation will heal, I think, but no other person can help you but you, only but you. Okay, yeah, this is the reading for my pile number 1. Please like, share, subscribe it. I hope you like it. If you want something more to know, you have to go to my previous videos and check them, and I hope you find something from there. Okay, or maybe you have to subscribe and press the bell icon. If you want to know my new readings, you can get something from them. Okay, with lots of love, with lots of good wishes. Bye. I'm going towards my reading number 2. Okay, bye. There is no reading number 2. Sorry guys.